Do you know many people are having trouble with loading photo paper into their Canon printer? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Prepare paper. First, prepare your photo paper by aligning the edges and flattening any curls. Step 2. Open tray. Next, open the rear tray cover and pull up the paper support. Step 3. Adjust guides. Slide the right paper guide to open both guides for proper paper alignment. Step 4. Load paper. Place the photo paper stack with the print side facing up in the tray. Step 5. Set preferences. Finally, adjust the printer settings to match your photo paper type and size. Now you should be able to load photo paper with ease into your Canon MAXIFY GX4050. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Canon users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.